Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your specifications on ACER Predator 17. And to do that, all you need to do is simply right click on the taskbar, then click on the task manager, go to performance. By the way, you may need to click on more details. Go to performance and you'll see your CPU. This is my CPU. It's Intel Core i7 7th generation. It says the base speed here, the amount of cores, logical processors, if virtualization is enabled, the cache sizes, the current speed, and all the other stuff. Then if you go to memory, you can see that I have the 24 gigabytes of RAM at the speed of 2400 megahertz. I mean, the slots used are 3 of 4, which means that slot 3 is empty, and I can buy an additional stick. But if it says that all the sticks are 8 gigabytes, then I should also get a stick of 8 gigabytes at 2400 megahertz. And I could insert that, of course, in the SODIMM form factor. It's pretty important. And yeah, you can also see the disk. If you have disk 1, you can also see that. I have also disk 2 and disk 3, but these are my USBs. Then Wi-Fi and GPU. And this is basically most you need, but if you go to system information, if you search for that and open that, then you'll see more about your computer here. You can also see things like components and, let's say, display. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.